I am very happy to inform that Mehsana is not only highest producing onshore assets, but it is also having highest number of women employees in any onshore asset. They are contributing in all facets of asset activities, right from operations to office support. Their numbers are increasing day by day, and it is our responsibility to provide a gender neutral environment. I am very thankful to Dr. Alka Mittal, CMD, and Pamela Jaspal, Director of Finance, for giving them an excellent platform to showcase their talents, share their ideas, so that they can reach in the right direction to contribute more towards the energy security of the country.
Hello, I am Jyotsna Pegu, GM Electrical, Chairperson WDF Mehsana Chapter. I am posted in Electrical Section of Surface Team. Here in Mehsana Asset, we have 61 women employees, which is around 3% of the total workforce. Among these 61 employees, 38 are officers and 23 are staff members. Women workforce of Mehsana Asset is committed to achieve the goal of ONGC.
My name is Payal Hajra. I am posted at Mehsana Logging Services as a geophysicist. So here I am posted as a logger in cased hole operation. So I am associated with the cased hole operation in this section.
My name is Anita Nitharwal and my designation is AEE Electrical. I am currently posted at Santhal Main In Situ Combustion Plant of Mehsana Asset. Being an electrical engineer, my primary job is to maintain the 220 kV switchyard, 6.6 kV switchgear, LT, HT motors, AVRs and all other electrical equipments.
Hello, my name is Manasvi Singh. I am Senior HR Executive. I am posted as Establishment Officer in Mehsana Asset. I am looking after files of all these subsurface team, support services and engineering services. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Bhagyasri Gautami. I am Junior Assistant P&A. I am working with ONGC since July 21. I am working as a dealing assistant in establishment section. Thank you.
हेलो, मेरा नाम प्रियंका डामोर है। मैं यहाँ पे DGM F&A पोस्टेड हूँ महसाना में और अभी प्रेजेंटली मैं देख रही हूँ FI पेमेंट्स, जो भी विम्स में इन्वॉइसेस आते हैं उनका प्रोसेसिंग। उनमें ज़्यादातर मेडिकल के, होटल के, हॉस्पिटल के बिल्स और उन सब का प्रोसेसिंग वाला पार्ट में देख रही हूँ। उसके बाद मैं एज ए फाइनेंस मेंबर TC में भी मेरा नॉमिनेशन जाता है हेड फाइनेंस से। उसके अलावा मैं LAQ बोर्ड में भी पार्टिसिपेट करती हूँ फील्ड विजिट में, जैसे कि कोई डैमेज कंपेंसेशन डिसाइड करना होता है या क्रॉप कंपेंसेशन या कोई नया लैंड एक्वायर करना होता है टेम्पररी बेसिस पे, तो वो जो बोर्ड बनता है उसमें फाइनेंस मेंबर का भी रोल होता है, तो मैं उसमें भी पार्टिसिपेट करती हूँ।
आई एम श्रेया त्रिपाठी, सीनियर जियोलॉजिस्ट। आई वर्क इन SST and here I work for Area 5, that is Range and Nasir and Lamnaj, and I look after the drilling and monitoring of wells.
I am Hina Kausar, Superintending Chemist, posted at Santhal Main UR Labs, and I am looking after UR Labs at Santhal Main, Balol Phase 1 and Lanwa 3. We are doing the oil, water and gas analysis of the UR affected area.
मैं निर्मला रतूड़ी, विधि विभाग प्रभारी, अपने 2 सहयोगियों के साथ यहाँ पे कार्यरत हूँ। जैसा हमारे विभाग का नाम है, हमारा कार्य ONGC के हित में कानूनी सलाह देना, कोई भी विवाद है तो उसका निराकरण करना, और अगर वह विवाद न्यायालय में जाता है तो हमारे अधिवक्ता के साथ उसका निराकरण करना है।
Hello, myself Hina Akhtar. I have joined ONGC in the year of 2020 as the Assistant Executive Engineer in Electrical Section, Drilling Services, ONGC, Mehsana, and I am handling the entire procurement of electrical section of drilling.
Hello, I'm Arshvi Modi, EE Drilling, posted at Drilling Services, Mehsana. Drilling Services is a star performer. Throughout these years, we almost drill average of 85 to 90 wells per year, and the cycle speed for our wells is approximately 1800 meter per rig month, and commercial speed is 2800 meter per rig month.
Hello, my name is Anshi Jain, working as AWE production at Jodaya GGS1. I work for the energy security of our country. My day-to-day activities include well checking, production optimization, and maintaining all the GGS operations, and doing every possible effort to maintain our oil and gas energy targets by ensuring compliance to all the safety measures.
My name is Zeel Parmar, EE Production. I am posted at Bechraji GGS2 Mehsana Asset. I take care of production, field maintenance, plant maintenance, and I am also the safety officer of this installation. Bechraji is a heavy oil field area and is currently hosting a commercial polymer flooding project, which is the first of its kind in ONGC.
Hello, I am Vaishali Medhi, EE Production, currently posted at Balol GGS3 Mehsana Asset. My job profile basically includes field as well as plant operations, so that we can achieve its production and dispatch targets.
Hello, I am Hitisha Gaglani. I am EE Reservoir, currently posted in Mehsana Asset and Subsurface team. I have been working here in North Curry field, which involves monitoring 620 wells, and we also have a EOR which is going on enhanced oil recovery method, polymer flooding. We are also responsible for doing reservoir management in that. I also do signal analysis and revival programs, and basically working in the direction of improved oil recovery for ONGC fields.
Hello, I am Padmini BN, SCP Production, presently posted in Facility Engineering Group, Surface Team of Mehsana Asset. I conceptualize new scheme for augmentation, revamping and debottlenecking of surface facility for effective and smooth operations. There are many projects pipeline, and one of the project is Nandasan surface facility.
Hello everyone, I am Jasmita Balot, EE Production. Currently I am posted in a safety section of surface team. I joined ONGC in 2017, and since then I am working in fields and various section of surface team, and from past 1 year I am posted in safety section.
Junior Scientific Assistant. I am posted at Santhal Main UR Labs. We are collect the sample from the well and analyze the viscosity of the oil here.
सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं चारुलता बोरटके, मैं यहाँ फाइनेंस सेक्शन में पोस्टेड हूँ 99 से। मैं अभी प्रियोरिटी सेक्शन में काम करती हूँ। प्रियोरिटी सेक्शन में इम्प्रेस, मिसलेनियस और वेंडर के जो पेमेंट आते हैं वो मैं करती हूँ। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
हेलो, मेरा नाम तपस्वी किशन है। मैं यहाँ पे 2019 में ज्वाइन की हूँ एज ए फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंट्स ऑफिसर, एंड अभी मैं देख रही हूँ कैश एंड बैंक और बजट। थैंक यू।
हेलो, माय नेम इज़ मैनात प्रज्ञा कुमारी बाबूभाई. I am last year joining 2021 in Infocom. I am looking SCADA now.
you